Hello, Jayleshark here with your Phuket weekly weather update live. A little bit late today, that's for sure, been very busy. Anyway, live from my garden. And I can tell you, it's flipping hot today. That's right. It's starting to get hotter and hotter and hotter, and there might be a little bit of rain coming, but you don't need to worry about that because it's only in the evenings, but you'll know about that when you watch for the next 9 minutes or so when I give you a whole rundown of what the weather's going to do this week, the best tours to go on, and some top tips. I don't know what the top tips are on. I'm just saying that as a hook to keep you watching till the very end because it helps the old algorithms. Good? Right then, let's go do the weather! Woo! Before we start, this is Lynx. You might have met Lynx before. She's my little cat. Now, the exciting news, which you're going to find out at the end of the video, is Lynx pregnant? Has she been booming people? If she has, she's in trouble, and so am I. Anyway, find out at the end, is Lynx pregnant? I hope not. Right, let's do the weather. So, let's see what's going to happen. We won't find out till the very end. I don't know right now either, because, I'll be honest with you, I haven't taken her to the vets yet. I'm going to record the weather, and then we're going to go to the vets and we'll find out. So I have to send a little clip at the end to Miguel to say if she is or if she isn't. Fingers crossed she's not, but all the signs are there that she is. So, if you want a kitten, well, we'll get to that bit later. I'll keep them. We love a kitten or two. Right, here we are on Windy. So this is Windy. This is the app that we use. So it shows us what the wind's doing, so it shows us where the weather's coming in. Now, we're in the end of March, close to the end of March. It is hot. It's stinking hot at the moment, and it's only going to get hotter. As we move into April, it gets really, really hot, and then May as well. So April and May are the two hottest months. And it's when the rainy season starts to come in. And we've had the effects of that so far. There's been a couple of evenings where we have had some thunderstorms last week, which I did predict. Haha, got it right for a change. In fact, last night I was playing paddle tennis. That's right, I'm a paddle bro. Good sport, actually. I thought it would be rubbish. It's actually quite fun. It's like table tennis, tennis, and squash all rolled into one. Quite enjoyed it. It is good fun. Anyway, last night it rained a little bit on the tin roof, which was very loud, but it only rained for about 30 minutes. A thunderstorm just came through and then cleared pretty quick. And that's kind of what's been happening for the last couple of nights. And let's see what's going to happen for this week. I know what's going to happen for this week. Early part of the week, it might be a few thunderstorms. Later part of the week, it's not. There you go. You don't have to watch the whole video now. But you do if you want to know if Lynxie is going to have some babies or not. Right, here we go. We're on Windy. This is the app we use that shows us where the wind direction's coming from. It's colour-coded. If it's purple, no wind. If it's blue or light blue, very, very, very little wind. If it's light green or green, a little bit more wind. If it's yellow, more wind. If it's orange, it's windy. And if you see this guy,
I'm Ron Burgundy.
That's right, Mr. Burgundy, then it's blowing its delete that bit. But we don't often see Ron Burgundy here, to be perfectly honest with you. Even during the low season, we don't get many Ron Burgundys, which is good. Right, as you can see, there's Phuket right smack bang in the middle. You've got Phang Nga Bay, which is here. Phi Phi's down here. You've got Ratcha, which is down here. And then the Snorkeling Islands are up here. Now, if you do want to go to the Snorkeling Islands, you're getting very, very close to the last kind of time where it's comfortable to go there. I know that Guide's son, who's doing some social media content for us, he went there last week and it was beautiful. I'm sure we can find some clips of him up there somewhere or other. There you go. Look at that. He's lovely, isn't he? So it was not so bad going up there, but it starts to get a bit bumpy. As you can see, it's open sea. Actually, we go from here, from the top of Phuket, all the way up to Snorkeling Islands. It's open ocean, open sea, so it can get a bit bouncy, especially this time of year, as the wind starts to change direction. So we've got a couple more weeks while it's probably okay to go. But then if you start to get into April, you're going to start thinking, don't go to Snorkeling Islands. You might want to go down to Ratcha instead, which is just as nice, to be fair. Okay, less snorkeling that you can see. Well, there is, no, it's not less snorkeling. There's the same amount of snorkeling, but there's less things you can see at Ratcha, but the water is stunning. And it is beautiful, beautiful. And it is the right place to snorkel, same as Coral Island. Anyway, enough about that. Right, let's get to it. So this is Sunday as I record this. Let's go down to Sunday afternoon. You don't see what it's doing today. A little bit of wind coming in. It's hot. I was out on the pier this morning and it's very, very hot. Everywhere looks really nice. But let's get to Monday the 16th. As we can see, a little bit of a breeze coming in, so it might be a wee bit bumpy going down to Phi Phi or down to Ratch or down to Coral, but nothing too much to worry about. Monday afternoon, it goes. So a little bit of breeze in the morning, but then as the afternoon heats up and we're going to get into the sea breeze, start talking about sea breeze. Here we go. So what happens is, with the Earth, as the sun comes out during the daytime, it heats up the land. As the land heats up, the pressure systems change and the wind starts coming from the land and pushing the wind away from the sea. Therefore, you get a sea breeze. Got it? Good. So in the afternoon, the wind dies off a little bit Monday. That's Monday night, which is looking good. Tuesday the 17th, windy in the morning. Let's look at the afternoon. Ha ha! Guess what? Yeah, the wind dies off in the afternoon. Let's look at Wednesday the 18th. Wednesday, what am I doing? Oh, Wednesday 18th. Very important day, Wednesday 18th, because my daughters get to pick her IGCSEs. That's right. Let's go pick some IGCSEs to see what her future's going to be. Maybe she can be a weather reporter. It's a good future, that one. Anyway, Wednesday, oh, go away. Wednesday morning, not so much. It looks quite nice. Maybe Simlin Islands might be a bit bumpy. Wednesday afternoon, wowzers, look at that. Purple everywhere. Wednesday looks stunning. Might go out Wednesday afternoon. I can't. We've got a meeting. IGCSE meeting. Damn it. Thursday the 19th. A little bit of green in the morning, so a little bit of wind in the morning. In the afternoon, it's gone. There's a surprise. Let's look at Friday the 20th. Oh, not much wind at all. Friday looks good. Friday 20th and Friday afternoon looks even better. Wowzers, Friday looks good. Saturday the 21st. A little bit of breeze in the morning. Nothing in the afternoon. It's kind of the pattern for this week. Do you want to do Sunday the 22nd? Why not? We're here. Oh, look, purple everywhere. Sunday looks good. Sunday afternoon, next Sunday. That looks even better. Look at that. That's gorgeous. So, basically what we have is this pattern. In the mornings next week, there's a wee bit of breeze. In the afternoon, there's none. So everywhere is going to be fantastic to go. So you go to Phi Phi, you go to Phang Nga Bay, I went to Bat Cave the other day. It's great. Saw Bruce Wayne. I really enjoyed Bat Cave. And there's monkeys in Bat Cave. And if you've not been to Phang Nga Bay, or even if you have been to Phang Nga Bay, you've probably not been to Bat Cave, definitely go. It's really, really cool. Cool place. Right, let's look at our usual bog standard weather forecast. It's quite difficult to see. It's white on white on white on white. Not being racist, of course. 34 degrees, 33 degrees, 33. It feels a lot hotter. It's really humid at the moment. And as we can see here, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, there's about a 50-60% chance of rain. That's generally thunderstorms coming through late in the evening. In fact, yesterday when I was playing my old, what's up, paddle bros? I think that's what you call them. And paddle girls. I think everyone's a bro, though, to be fair. We've gone to the 1980s wrestling era, calling everyone brother and bro. So anyway, what was I saying? Oh, it rained yesterday around about 9 o'clock. 8:30, 9 o'clock. And that was the pattern from last week as well. So it'll probably stay for today and from, I say today because I'm recording this Sunday afternoon, and Monday and Tuesday. But then Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, very, very little chance of rain. Saturday, 2%. Sunday, 2%. So start of the week, we might get a few thunderstorms. But like I said, they're only in the evening and they go very, very quickly, which is nice. Right, let's go ahead and have our final look at our TMD weather radar, which is absolutely pointless because it's right now live, as we look at this, as I'm about to get in the car and go to the vets and see if Lynxie's pregnant or not. Very exciting. Not really. Fingers crossed she's not. Anyway, there you go. TMD weather radar, which is pointless. Now, remember, we do daily weather shorts and updates on all our social media channels. So that's on Facebook, on Instagram, on the TikTok, and on YouTube Shorts. You can go and check those out. Sometimes it's Sean, sometimes it's me, sometimes it's a gorgeous Samwa, and sometimes it's Guide's son. Pick your favourite. I know who mine is. That's right. It's Samwa, actually. She's awesome. She's very funny. I like the other one. I have to kind of guide her into doing it. She forgets that she's doing the daily weather update and is too busy checking herself out, which is fair enough. So, there you go. Check out our daily weather updates. Check out our weekly weathers that we do each and every week. This one might come out a bit late. It's supposed to come out on Sunday afternoon, but it might come out on Monday because we're very busy at the moment. And some exciting news ahead about some TV and movie production stuff. But I'll save that till next week. Right now, the most important bit is for you to like and subscribe and comment below. But also, wait now, let's go see. This is movie magic now. If Lynx is pregnant or not. Ooh, is she pregnant? I've got to go to the car really, so I'll go car and get her. See ya. Hello, Jay here. As you can see, I'm at the vets, although it might be backwards because I'm recording my front camera. Anyway, I'm proud father of some kittens in around about 45 days or so. Isn't that great? Got a pregnant cat. She be boom booming. There you go. Daddy J. Baby cat's coming. Woo, woo.